Hello, and welcome. If you're here, you're probably exhausted from battling the symptoms Candida brings into your life. Extreme fatigue, digestive issues, trouble losing weight, even recurring infections. Well, here's the good news. You've landed in the right place to learn how to fight Candida effectively and for the long haul. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a powerful 6-step protocol that'll help you eliminate Candida and take back your health. This isn't just casual advice. It's a scientifically backed approach designed to transform your life. Each step is a vital piece in restoring your body's balance and keeping Candida from creeping back. So, let's dive into the 6 essential steps to wipe out Candida and get your body back on track. Step 1. Eliminate sugar, Candida's fuel. Let's dig deep into one of the most crucial steps in fighting Candida: sugar. Here's the truth. We know for sure that sugar is one of Candida's biggest allies. Why? Candida albicans, the fungus causing infections and imbalances in your body, feeds directly on sugar. That's right. The more sugar you eat, the more you're fueling Candida, setting up the perfect environment for it to thrive. Picture this. Candida's like a pest invading your body, and sugars, it's high-octane food. When you indulge in sugar, you're not just savoring a tasty dessert. You're nourishing this fungus, letting it spiral out of control. That runaway growth can spark a cascade of health problems: extreme fatigue, recurring infections, digestive troubles, struggles with weight loss, even skin issues like acne and eczema. The impact of sugar on your body. When you eat sugar, it floods your bloodstream, spiking your glucose levels. Those spikes don't just give you a quick energy boost. They hand Candida a direct food source. Here's how it works. Sugar turns into glucose, which your cells soak up, but Candida hijacks it to grow and spread. Over time, this throws your gut into chaos. Candida overpopulation wipes out good bacteria, like lactobacilli, leaving your system totally off-kilter. Where's the sugar hiding? You might think you've got sugar under control, but here's what most people miss. It's lurking in tons of processed foods. Let's spotlight some sneaky culprits. Industrialized fruit juices. They look healthy, but they're packed with sugar. Ready-made sauces, salad dressings, ketchup, even some pasta sauces. Yep, sugar's hiding there. Breads and crackers, even whole grain options can hit you with a surprising sugar punch. Replacing sugar the smart way now. You're probably asking, how do I ditch sugar without losing flavor or joy? Good question, and I've got answers. There are natural alternatives that are way healthier and back your fight against Candida. Stevia. It's a fantastic sugar swap. 100% natural, calorie-free, and it won't spike your blood glucose. Manuka. Honey. Another great pick. Not only healthier than sugar, but its antimicrobial powers can even help fight infections, including Candida. Xylitol. A natural substitute that beats refined sugar, and bonus, it's good for your teeth, helping fend off cavities. Step 2. Say goodbye to refined grains. They turn into sugar. Now let's tackle one of the biggest foes in your Candida battle: refined grains. If you didn't know this yet, these foods are a major player in feeding Candida and worsening your situation. So let's break it down. How refined grains feed Candida. Imagine eating something that, the second it hits your body, turns into sugar fast. That's what refined grains do. Think white rice, wheat, or bread made from refined flour. They've got a sky-high glycemic index, meaning they morph into glucose in your system almost instantly. And what happens when your blood glucose spikes? Candida thrives on sugar. By eating refined grains, you're practically serving that fungus a feast, letting it grow and multiply like crazy. The secret to ditching refined grains. It's time to wave goodbye to refined grains for good. But I know what you're thinking. What do I eat instead? Don't worry, I've got smart solutions for you. 1. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa. Brown rice has a much lower glycemic index, so it won't feed Candida like white rice does. 2. Replace refined bread with almond or coconut flour bread. These are nutrient-rich, low-carb options that won't fuel Candida, and you still get to enjoy the taste. 3. Choose cauliflower over white rice. Shredded cauliflower mimics rice but brings low carbs and extra nutrients. A killer substitute that won't spike your glucose and packs health perks. Immediate benefits of cutting refined grains. When you ditch refined grains and make these savvy swaps, you're not just starving Candida, you're giving your body a huge win by slashing glucose spikes and boosting digestive balance. And the benefits keep rolling. 1. Stable glucose levels. This builds a healthier internal environment and stops the fungus dead in its tracks. 2. Better digestion. It smooths out digestion and balances your gut microbiome, delivering the nutrition your body craves to heal. 3. Less inflammation. Key for restoring gut harmony and fighting Candida. 4. More energy and fullness. You'll feel a lift in energy and longer-lasting satisfaction. No more roller coaster crashes from refined grains. A change your body will love. Here's the deal. Cutting refined grains isn't just a swap. It's a sharp, effective strategy to take Candida down. It might feel tough at first, but once those benefits kick in, you'll know it's worth it. The trick is picking the right replacements and zeroing in on what really helps your body fight back. Over time, your digestion will improve, your energy will climb, and, most importantly, you'll be hitting Candida head-on. Every meal without refined grains is a step closer to healing. So, drop those refined grains now and try these healthy, powerful alternatives. Your body and your gut will thank you. Step 3. Support your spleen, the guardian of digestion and immunity. Next up, let's focus on an organ most people overlook in the Candida fight: your spleen. Did you know a weakened spleen might be the sneaky reason behind Candida's overgrowth? One of its big jobs in tackling Candida is powering up your immune system. When your spleen's off its game, it can't filter toxins properly, and that's when Candida finds the perfect playground to spread. In traditional Chinese medicine, the spleen's a cornerstone for keeping your body balanced. Want to kick Candida to the curb for good? Strengthening your spleen is non-negotiable. I can hear you asking, how do I do that? The answer's in nutrients from specific foods that bring it back to life. Foods to strengthen your spleen and fight Candida. The trick to supporting your spleen is loading up on starchy foods and legumes. These give your body the fuel it needs to help your spleen shine, clearing toxins and keeping digestion firing on all cylinders. Sweet potatoes, one of the MVPs for spleen health. They're bursting with antioxidants that fight inflammation and keep your digestive system steady. Pumpkin, a must-add to your diet, rich in fiber and vitamins that boost digestion and detox, while strengthening your spleen and lifting immunity. Lentils, a powerhouse of protein and fiber, they rev up your spleen and deliver lasting energy. Mung beans, a staple in Chinese medicine, known for balancing your body's energy and bolstering your immune system, perfect for taking on Candida. Barley tea, sip this to flush toxins fast and improve digestion, crafting a healthier space to battle Candida. Why strengthening your spleen matters. Smoother digestion. A stronger spleen means less bloating, better nutrient uptake, and a happier gut. Boosted immunity. Your spleen's crucial for juicing up your immune system. Fewer infections, more energy, and sharper skills to tackle imbalances like Candida. Better toxin removal. A healthy spleen clears toxins like a pro, lightening the load on your organs and nurturing a thriving gut microbiome. Less inflammation. Foods like sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and lentils pack an anti-inflammatory punch, slashing the internal fire that feeds Candida. More energy and well-being. With your spleen back in action, you'll feel a steady glow of wellness and consistent energy. No more ups and downs that hit Candida sufferers hard. Bottom line, strengthening your spleen is a game-changing step to crush Candida. With a diet full of starchy foods and legumes, you're arming your body with everything it needs to rebuild digestive and immune balance, setting the stage to wipe Candida out. Step 4. Take care of your liver, the natural detoxifier. Now, let's zero in on an organ that's a detox powerhouse, your liver. Hands down, it's the star at filtering and flushing toxins from your system. But when it's not running smoothly, it rolls out the red carpet for Candida to thrive. How to help your liver shine. It's straightforward. Feed your liver foods that supercharge its detox abilities and clear toxins fast. These will ease the strain on your liver and bring back your body's natural rhythm. Sour foods, your liver's secret weapon. One of your liver's best buddies? Sour foods. These heavyweights kick detoxification into high gear and support liver function. Add more to your plate, and you'll strengthen your liver while building a balanced gut flora that Candida can't stand. Check out these standout sour foods. Sauerkraut. It fires up digestive enzyme production, helping your liver process and dump toxins. Kimchi. This Korean fermented treasure's loaded with antioxidants and probiotics that boost liver health, aid detox, and fortify gut immunity. Fermented kefir. It balances your gut microbiome while helping your liver detox and tackle harmful junk. Apple cider vinegar. one of the top picks to crank up liver function, a detox champ that restores harmony to your digestive system. These sour foods are brimming with probiotics and natural compounds that sharpen digestion and power up your immune system. Plus, they help your liver handle toxins like a pro, paving the way for a healthier you and a tougher fight against Candida. Here's the takeaway. Your liver's your body's natural detoxifier, and nurturing it is critical to beating Candida. With sour, probiotic-packed foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and apple cider vinegar, you're giving your liver the tools to do its job, and crafting an environment Candida can't survive in. Step 5. Strengthen your gut, the core of immunity. Did you know about 70% of your immune system calls your gut home? That makes it a total rock star for protecting you from infections and imbalances, like Candida overgrowth. So, if you're serious about fighting Candida, keeping your gut healthy and balanced isn't optional, it's a must. How to boost your gut and knock her out. One of the smartest ways to balance your gut flora and amp up digestion is adding bitter foods to your diet. These champs kick bile production into gear, boosting digestion and nutrient absorption, while slashing gut inflammation, a huge key to battling Candida. Foods to strengthen your gut and fight Candida. Arugula. Packed with antioxidants, it's got compounds that rev up digestion and cut gut inflammation, creating a healthier, steadier space. It's also a pro at powering your immune system to take on Candida and other nasty bugs. Kale. Loaded with fiber and anti-inflammatory mojo, kale dials down gut inflammation and repairs cells in your digestive system, making it a no-go zone for Candida. Ginger. With anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial kick, ginger smooths digestion and calms your gut. Cinnamon. It's got anti-inflammatory and antifungal perks, slowing Candida's spread in your intestines. Bonus. It steadies blood sugar, dodging spikes that feed the fungus. Turmeric. One of the mightiest spices for gut health and inflammation control. Its star player, curcumin, brings fierce anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that shield your gut lining and restore balance. Benefits of a stronger gut. Balanced gut. Flora. These foods rebuild a healthy microbiome, vital for keeping troublemakers like Candida in check. Better digestion. Arugula, ginger, and turmeric sharpen digestion and nutrient uptake, setting up a smoother, healthier system. Less gut inflammation. Inflammation's a big driver of imbalance, letting Candida run wild. Cutting it is a total game changer. Stronger immunity. A beefed-up gut boosts your intestinal defenses, arming you with the firepower to fight Candida and other infections. A hostile zone for Candida. Fortify your gut with flora-balancing foods, and you're crafting a space that's brutal on Candida, but cozy for good bacteria. Here's the deal. If you mean business about wiping out Candida, strengthening your gut's a non-negotiable step. Bitter foods like arugula, kale, ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric are your all-stars in this fight, balancing your gut flora, boosting digestion, cutting inflammation, and powering your immune system to build a fortress Candida can't crack. Step 6. Probiotics, the final cure for Candida. Now that you've ditched sugars and refined grains, and powered up your vital organs for a healthier vibe, it's time for the moment your body's been craving, restoring your gut flora. The ultimate cure for beating Candida and keeping it gone is repopulating your gut with good bacteria. That's where high-quality probiotics step up. They're key to rebalancing your bacterial world and shutting down Candida's growth. Why probiotics change everything? Think of your gut as a delicate ecosystem where good and bad bacteria duke it out for dominance. When Candida takes over, it hogs the space, throwing your gut flora into chaos and messing with your health. To knock Candida out, you've got to juice up the good bacteria, bring back harmony, and set up a space where Candida can't survive. That's where probiotics swoop in. But here's the catch. Not all probiotics are the same. Quality's everything, and picking the right ones can fast-track your recovery and crush Candida for good. How to pick the best probiotic to fight Candida. For probiotics, you need strains proven to hit Candida hard. Here are the top players to look for. 1. Lactobacillus. These strains are rock stars against Candida. They restore gut flora balance, making it a tough spot for Candida to linger. Plus, they boost digestion, cut inflammation, and lift overall gut health. 2. Bifidobacterium, another heavy hitter in the Candida battle. This good bacteria slows Candida's spread while strengthening your immune system and sprucing up gut health. It's also ace at cutting toxins, giving you a natural detox lift. How much should you take? How many probiotics you need depends on things like how bad your Candida infection is and your gut health backstory. During your Candida protocol, go for higher doses and stick with them for 30 to 90 days. That gives your gut flora the time it needs to rebuild and shove Candida out for good. Adding high-quality probiotics to your Candida plan is the final push to reclaim your gut health and lock Candida out. With strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, you're arming your body with the tools to fight Candida from the inside out. Extra tip: natural antifungals, the gentle boost. Lots of folks lean on antifungals, but they usually don't hit the root cause of Candida. The real magic's in a nutrient-packed diet, filling up on the right vitamins, detoxing, and strengthening the organs we've covered. That said, natural antifungals can be a handy boost in some cases. Oregano oil, garlic, and grapeseed extract are awesome for fighting Candida naturally, and they come as supplements too. Just a heads up, use them for no more than 10 to 14 days, and always team them up with a solid diet. Now that you've got these 6 powerful steps to take Candida down, what's next is simple: act. By weaving these habits into your everyday life, you won't just wipe out Candida, you'll transform your health in a deep, lasting way. Get ready for more energy, revitalized digestion, healthy weight loss, and an immune system that's unstoppable. This isn't just a plan to clear an infection, it's a roadmap to renew your body and your life. And here's a nudge: the nutrients you need for this journey are right there in natural foods or top-notch supplements, ensuring your body's got it all at every step. Your journey starts now. Put this into gear, nail every detail, and watch the incredible shift happen. The body you've always dreamed of, healthier, balanced, and buzzing with vitality, is yours to claim.